If your tomato plants are still loaded with green fruit and frost is coming, watch this. Here are a few simple pruning tricks can help redirect the plant's energy into ripening what you already have instead of growing more leaves. Tomato plants naturally keep trying to grow. They'll continue producing flowers, new shoots, and fresh foliage as long as warm weather sticks around. The problem is that every new branch and flower uses valuable energy. Late in the season, that's energy your existing tomatoes need if they're going to turn red before the first frost. Think of it this way: your tomato plant doesn't know winter is coming. You do. Any flowers appearing a few weeks before your expected first frost aren't likely to become ripe tomatoes. Removing them tells the plant to stop investing energy into fruit it won't finish. Instead, that energy goes toward the tomatoes already growing. Late-season suckers become new branches. New branches create more flowers. More flowers create more fruit that won't have enough time to ripen. Simply pinch these off with your fingers or use clean pruning snips. A little now can make a noticeable difference later. Don't strip the plant bare. Instead, remove a few leaves that heavily shade the tomatoes. More sunlight reaches the fruit. Better airflow also helps reduce late-season diseases. The tomatoes become the stars of the show instead of hiding behind a jungle of leaves. This is one of the biggest secrets experienced gardeners use. Cut the growing tip from the main stem several weeks before your first expected frost. This tells the plant to stop getting taller and focus on finishing the tomatoes it already has. No more climbing toward the sky, time to finish the harvest. Removing half the foliage shocks the plant. Leaves are still needed to make energy through photosynthesis. Only remove what helps direct growth. Dirty pruners can spread diseases from one plant to another. A quick wipe with rubbing alcohol takes only seconds. Many gardeners wait until frost is only a day away. By then, the plant has already wasted valuable energy on new growth. Prune several weeks before your average first frost for the best results. Many people believe removing lots of leaves automatically makes tomatoes ripen faster. Not true. Too much pruning actually reduces the plant's ability to produce the energy needed for ripening. The goal is balance, not a naked tomato plant wondering what happened. Checklist: remove late-season flowers. They will not ripen now. Next, remove suckers, those side shoots at the leaf joints. Thin a few leaves that heavily shade the fruit. Top the main stem to stop upward growth and refocus energy. Sanitize pruners with rubbing alcohol between plants. Prune several weeks before your average first frost. Result: more ripe tomatoes before the cold arrives. These simple steps won't create miracles, but they can significantly improve your chances of harvesting more ripe tomatoes before cold weather arrives. Every growing season teaches us something new, and sometimes a few careful cuts are all it takes to help your tomato plants finish strong. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with another gardener, and subscribing to Fred's Sustainable Gardening for more honest, practical, no-frills gardening advice. Now it's your turn. What pruning tip has helped your tomatoes ripen before the first frost?